Here they go. That one nice and tight as they work for upside down goes Maluli. Got that truck just a little sideways in traffic. Lap one. Last time you want to crash, it'll leave you back in a lot of spots. Upside down goes John. Nose kills, they work around. Trouble mid-pack. Maluli will slice through a couple. Gans, Allen, Austin. Mendoza, Maluli, Turon, Junner, Seuss, Junner, Edelman. Upside down back to them. Allen turns it over. Marshall working to get it. That cost him 2 spots. Maluli will take full advantage. So Mendoza puts Austin in the 2 spot. 2.3 back on Gans. Gans into the straightaway. Austin down the straightaway. Mendoza, Maluli. Schultz will give up some real estate. He'll get Jake in front of him. Tyler behind him. Jacob at 8. That's 1.6 to go down. 6.52 to go down. 6.52 to go. What? Gans up front. Austin, Maluli, Mendoza, Junner, Schultz, Seuss, Turon, Junner, Nailman at 6 and 38 at current pace. They work their way around. Probably tearing up right now. Talon has got it on a roll. Keeping that white, black, and green machine going. Talon saying, outside going around hard, focus the traffic. Austin 1.7 back. Maluli back up to the first, but after that first lap action, he'll be 3.8 back. Pass up going Austin with a 12-0. Schultz, 4, Jake, and 5. It's all working heavy traffic to come around the track. Alex falls back just over. He'll be 4.5 back up Maluli. He has lost a little rhythm there. Has to find some of the back up. Austin digging hard. He was outside. Mendoza. They calls on good. They continue on. Nice driving. Gans ended the straightaway. Still working himself around. Austin 3.2 back now. Not quite slicing right through the traffic of Maluli. 2.8 back on Austin. Schultz 3.8 off of that. Jamie in the 5. Mendoza 1.8 off that. 2 to Seuss. 2.3 to turn. 8 minutes to Tyler. He can straightaway. Cody goes off. He'll bring it back out. And we started with that heavy traffic. Also, we're trying to use that as a pit. Looks like Austin has fallen back 4 things on Maluli with a crash. Maluli will take full advantage. Moves himself 7.2 off the leader in the 2 spot. Fast lap through Austin 12.059. 12.1 Gans. 12.3 Maluli. Maluli tail slap. Austin will go by. We got 2 more back. Mendoza puts it over. Get back on his wheels. That possible. He was in that 6 spot. Jacob will take that away at the crash. Glenn will be 3.5 back to Jacob at 7. Tyler at 8, 1.8. Max at 9, 5 minutes on the Tyler. Those two still very tight as they run the blue and white and the red white. Austin will cap it on the rail. He had just taken it from Maluli. Moves on the 2. Maluli back upside down. Austin will get it back row as he gets a little deep. Austin, Schultz, 6'10", Maluli drops to 4. He also work to do 2.6 back. Jamie, Jacob, Brent, Tyler, Matt, Koda. All these guys start to break down their lap time, getting to the 12-1, 12-3, 12-0. 4 minutes to go. 19 to 38 at current pace. Now buzzes Talon, hitting it done. 3-4. Doug still fast at 19 to 38 at current pace. Maluli working some traffic. Austin into Alex and Curry. Maluli at 3.1. in the rollers. Kansas trying to check out of this one. He's showing the lap on the field. I do believe it is accurate. We got 4 10s and 3 10s between Austin, Malooly, and Schultz. Schultz got the lead in the free chain. White, silver, come back to black, gray, and green. Malooly, red, silver, and blue from Austin. They work nose to tail, working inside. All of the back door, look for a reason to get around and pass. Schultz, Malooly, and Austin. 2:13 to go, and they're fighting 2, 3, 4, 4 10 to Jake got their 5 by Glenn, 6 to Joe, 7 Tyler, 8, Max, 9 Dakota, and 10. 28 of 39 at current pace, 28 of 39 at current pace. Polo tighten up the traffic, nice working with each other though. Oh, Malooly will tap out! Just like the pros. Dan Schultz, Malooly, Austin, Nick Austin, Malooly. Malooly gets some work to do now. Let's see if he can put a lap in 4.2 his gap on that roll. 11.9 now fast lap from Ames and 11.8 against 11.9 Austin. Both those guys finding a way to go faster. Schultz and Arena. 12.1 his fast lap. 1:30 to go. Austin all the way back over Schultz looking for that 2. But Schultz 2 wheels on this thing goes under the roll. Schultz trying to get it up. Oh, he'll sandbag, flip around, turn. He'll come down just in front of Malooly and they get him back over the 3 spot. Also take out 4.8. That costs you. And he'll drop back off the Doug. Doug down off in that 2 spot. 1 lap. 7 seconds back. Lead 108 to go, drivers. Dan in cruise mode now. Just trying not to break that truck. He's got this one in the bag. Doug Alex Perez. J.D. Glenn. 1 second back to Jacob. 7. Back to Tyler. Max 2.9. And Coda back to Fastline. Coda struck in a little trouble. He's got some parts back out there. Keep moving. 48 seconds to go, drivers. 48 seconds to go. Austin, he wants to keep his gap. Schultz and Malooly coming down. They are nose to tail. They got the lead behind him. He doesn't care. He's going to watch this fight with 30 seconds to go. He's got a lap plus on the field. Back. He's got traffic upside down all the way. Austin's going to be waiting, making a 3-way battle. And it's 3-way battle! Final laps of this race. 38 to go. And Austin, Schultz, Malooly. Oh, Schultz goes over as soon as it doesn't work. And he'll be waiting. So he'll be outside there making a 2-way battle. Malooly and Austin will work themselves around the backstretch. Talent still just hanging out, watching this battle unfold. 11 o'clock. These guys may get one more lap. No guarantee. 7